Dear civil engineers, earlier I uploaded my introductory video on my YouTube channel. The topic was to learn civil engineering. I am thankful to all those who viewed, subscribed, liked my channel. I committed to upload my presentation on different topics of construction of buildings. I'm going to upload now part 1 of my first presentation on the topic of housekeeping and cleaning at construction projects. Hope this presentation and upcoming lectures will be useful for the engineers. I request you all to please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you very much. Housekeeping and cleaning at construction projects is crucial as well as related to the safety and efficiency of the working environment for the workers. To avoid hazards at construction projects, we have to take care of housekeeping and cleaning as much as possible. Also, at times when the visitors are visiting, like consultants, the clients and other visitors, the site should look good because of the better housekeeping and cleaning. There are few important tips we will discuss on these slides. I would like to highlight few of them. Number one, daily routine cleaning of the project is to be done. Storage of material and tools to be at designated locations and places. Regular inspection of the site to be done by the supervisors of the site. Disposal of debris to be done on regular basis and not to be dumped at site. Dust control, this is very important issue. Dust harms the workers, so it should be controlled. Educate the team to keep the sites with safety and cleanliness. Today I am presenting part 1 of this presentation and part 2 will be inshallah coming soon. The maintenance and housekeeping and cleaning at construction projects is not at all easy. As many tradesmen working at time, so it is difficult to do regular cleaning and housekeeping, but it has to be done. There are always chances of hazards to happen if care are not taken to keep the site clean and tidy. Proper housekeeping and cleaning of the site reduces and minimizes the injuries and even the deaths. Good housekeeping. If good housekeeping is done and cleaning is done, we achieve good results with respect to the safety and the look of the project is attractive. There are few important tips we will now again discuss. Number one, daily routine cleaning of the project, ignition and all that we have discussed in the previous slide, so we have to take care of these issues. Implementation of housekeeping and cleaning of the project is safe for every worker and the stakeholders. It's necessary to be careful of the following issues. Loose and damaged cables of any electrical appliance to be avoided to use. Earthing of all the appliances to be checked. Fire risk to be avoided. No rubbish to fall anywhere at the project site. Set your project as an example and good looking for the people coming from the outside. Next slide, we will discuss about as much as possible care to be taken to explosive materials to be stored away from the flammable material. All switches and sockets to be earthproof and to be waterproof. As much as possible care to be taken of avoiding construction projects by taking following precautions. Sharp edge tools to be 100% fit and usable. Accumulation of debris all over the site is once again, I will insist and highlight, to be removed. Uneven surfaces or at sides and obstructions can cause slip and trip and fall to the workers. Combustible wastage of wood and paper can cause hazard of the risk. Most dangerous is the electrical hazard and electronics appliances, damaged wires in case accident happens. So we have to take care of all these. The most important issue is to train and to communicate the workers and the stakeholders by posters at site about the photographs and all that to be pasted on site. Etiquette tools, manpower is to be available at site for the regular cleaning and housekeeping. In case any team member or group of the workers of different trades is reluctant to maintain housekeeping and cleaning, action must be taken against them. I am thankful to all of you to watch my presentation, and next presentation lecture to follow very soon. I will once again request all of you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel and share. Thank you.